Ever notice how the lion is called the king of the jungle, even though he doesn't live in a jungle? Yeah. First lie of the animal kingdom. Lions actually live in grasslands and savannas, mostly in Africa. And unlike most cats, lions are social. They live in groups called prides, which is basically a family with way more drama. Here's the real twist. Male lions look cool with that big mane, but the lionesses do most of the hunting. That's right. The guys guard the territory, nap all day, and take credit for dinner. Classic. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, which is less cute kitty and more nature's subwoofer. So next time you hear a roar, remember, teamwork, power, and a whole lot of confidence. If you learned something new, tap like, subscribe, and join the YouTube community for more wild facts that hit harder than a lion's roar. If you want faster pacing, kid-friendly version, extra sarcasm, or shorts, Chuck's TikTok cut, just say the word.